So if you like a bougie chair, this is a video for you. Welcome back, guys. Today our DIY is going to be of our DIY foxed fur chair. Okay, so this video has been in the process for a little less than a month now, because every single store that we went to did not have the fox fur that we were looking for. And the fox fur that we were looking for was black, like just black. Like there wasn't any crazy colors, no crazy prints. It was just black. We went to so many stores: Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Fine Fabrics, Michael's. They didn't have no fur. I was like, what the heck? This is outrageous. Yeah, we had to go all the way to Atlanta to find the fur that we were looking for, and right as we were giving up hope, we found a miracle place called Gail Fabrics. It's literally an amazing store, and this is not sponsored, so not sponsored. But yeah, if you guys live around the Atlanta area, make sure to go check out Gail Fabrics for your fox fur if you're gonna do this DIY, because they really pulled through, and the lady is super nice. They're so nice. I love the ladies there. Yeah. They're so nice. So yeah, and after we found that, another thing that went wrong was when she bought the staples, they were the wrong size for our stapler. And then our stapler was missing a part, so I was like, so I had to go buy a new stapler, and it was just like, oh my god. It was just this whole thing. So this video has been the longest processed video, and probably the worst, all because of her. Yeah, because my job in like our YouTube filming thing is that I film, I edit, and she does the crafts, you know, she thinks of the ideas. The hard stuff. The hard stuff. So that's basically how we work, and I wasn't pulling through on those like few weeks. So she had to film everything on her own, and that's why majority of the clips are really bad. Yeah, so don't come for me. Come for her. Okay, so without further ado, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get on with the tutorial. Alright guys, so obviously the first step into this DIY is your chair. Now your chair is the most important part, and for us particularly, we were looking for a chair with arm rests. So we found a lot of chairs, but this was the one that stood out to us the most. So here's a video of us buying the chairs. And the owners were super nice, so.
Looks so good. And $10.
Yeah.
And we paid like $200 something for each one. We bought them. Sit in it, see how comfortable it is.
Oh, that was your bed. Yeah, I put that out there because I thought you might want that.
Yeah. Sit in that chair. It's really
We have so many.
I'm going to take. Oh, see, look at that.
Oh yeah.
I told her to pick which one.
You look good in it too.
Alright guys, so basically here, the car that we came in was too small for the chairs to fit in, so we had to call our reinforcement, which is aka our dad, because his car is big enough to fit the two chairs. So we got the chairs for $10 both, which is such a great deal, and yeah.
She's so dramatic.
Alright guys, so what you want to do first is you obviously want to clean your chair because nobody wants a dirty chair. And now we are going to sand the handles. Why? Because since it was wood, the chair had a glossy primer or top coat, and we were going to spray paint it, and the spray paint wasn't going to adhere to the wood unless we sanded the glossy primer away. So here is a time lapse of us sanding wood. Alright, just for fun, here's a clip of Guadalupe messing up. Alright, so now you're going to want to start spray painting. We got the gold paint and primer in one to make our lives 10 times easier, and we use the color gold because that is the color scheme of Guadalupe's room, and this chair is going into her room, and that is why we chose the color gold. But obviously it doesn't have to be gold. It can be pink, it can be blue, it can be purple, whatever your heart desires. Alright, now for this part you're going to need a stapler, scissors, and of course your fox fur. Alright, this is where you're going to want to get your fur and your chair and start stapling the fur onto your chair. And as you can tell by the not so good lighting, this is the part where I was just shut in my room doing nothing and she had to film all on her own. And now after all your hard work, this is how your chair should finally look like.
So, we hope you enjoyed our video. Like I said, if the footage is bad, come for her. Anyways, stay tuned for our next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave comments about if you like the DIY,
If you want to see more DIYs.
Yeah.
And this DIY wasn't very well explained or well
Filmed.
But yeah, I know that hopefully in the next DIY video we will explain and show
Like
more
our
detail.
first one. Our first one was bomb.
Yeah.
Bye.
Woo. Okay.